Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. If you are new here and you have yet subscribed to our channel, please do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video you'll be notified as soon as possible. If you are here, you want to learn how to program, how to develop application, how to develop your own website, how to code and program, this is the right place for you. Please do your best to stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope you will not regret it after the end of this video. Without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video. So guys, today we want to look at modules in Python in our programming journey as a software engineer. So what is a module? Now consider a module to be the same as a code library. A file contains a set of functions you want to include in your application is what we call a module. Now to create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py then colon. Example, save this code in a file name mymodule.py. Define greetings, then that is the name, then you add your column, print hello plus the name. Use a module. Now we can use the module we just created by using the import statement. For example, import the module name mymodule and call the greeting function. Import mymodule.greetings into bracket the name Jonathan. So now let's run this and see the result. I hope you can see clearly. You can see now import my module. You can see when we run it, hello Jonathan, that is the greeting. So let's go back to the question. You see here, you want to import a module, you use this function or this syntax to import the module. Now note, when using a function from a module, use the syntax module underscore name dot function underscore name. Variables in module. The module can contain functions as already described, but also variables of all types, the arrays, dictionaries, objects, etc. Example, save this code in the file mymodule.py. Now we have a person 1 which has a name Jonathan, a name John, the age which is 36, and the country which is Norway. Now in this example, import the module name mymodule and access the person 1 dictionary. So we can assign a variable to the person 1 dictionary which is A. So in this example, the variable is A. So now A is equal to mymodule.person1 and in the bracket age. So what they are trying to ask us here is to find the age of the person. So now let's run this and see the result. You can see here the result is 36, which is the age of the person. The next thing we want to look at is naming a module. You can name the module file whatever you like, but it must have the file extension .py. Renaming a module. You can create an alias when you import a module by using the as keyword. Example, create an alias for module called mx then column. Import my module as mx. A, which is the variable, is equal to mx.person1, then the age, then print A. You run it, it's still the same thing. Here you are still finding the age of the person, which is 36. Let's go back. Now you build in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. Example, import and use the platform module. Import platform. Now x, which is the variable, is equal to the platform.system, then the print x. So here you are trying to find out whatever is in the platform. So let's try it and see. You can see here the results. Let me run there, you see it very clearly. So we have Linux, which is the platform. So that is the result. Now let's go back. The next thing is using the direction function. There is a built-in function to list all the functions names or variable names in a module. The direction function, example, list all the defined names belonging to the platform module. Import platform. X is equals to the dictionary platform. Then print X. Let's see the result. So these are the solution to the platform. Let's go back. Now note, the direction function can be used on all modules, also the ones you have created yourself. Import from module. You can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. Example, the module named my module has one function and one dictionary. Define greetings, then the name, then print hello plus the name, and person 1 which has the name John and the age 36 and the country Norway. Example, import only the person 1 dictionary from the module. From my module, import person 1, print person 1. Now let's run it. That is the same as the age. You can see. Now note, when importing using the from keyword, you do not use the module name when referring to elements in module. Example, person 1 age, not my module.person1 age. So this is what we want to check or look for today in Python modules. Now let's brush our hands on some few examples or exercise to see or to test our understanding or what we have just went through. Now the first exercise is, what is the correct syntax to import a module named my module? So the correct syntax is import. Let's submit. We are correct. Next. The next question, if you want to refer to a module by using different name, you can create an alias. What is the correct syntax for creating an alias for a module? Now import my module. Then what will we put inside? The correct syntax is as. Submit. We are correct. The next is, what is the correct syntax of printing all variables and function names of my module? So we have the direction, we have dr, sorry for that, we have dir, then you open your bracket and write my module, then close the bracket. We are correct. The next one says what is the correct syntax of importing only the person 1 dictionary of my module? Here we have from, then you put here import. Okay, so we are correct. So this is what we want to learn for today. So I hope you have understand or you've learned something. If you have any questions, please do your best to ask under the comment section down below, and also share your thoughts. If you have something to add, please feel free to add, and also please do your best to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Love you.